Whoa! Look at this. We are at National Glacier Park and we're just having the time of our lives. I'm hanging out with my YouTube friends, YouTubers that you already know, and we're learning from each other. We're hanging out, we're helping each other film, and we are just having the time of our lives. And guess what? I want to do the same thing with you. So, big announcement, next year, summer 2020, me and my friends at Trova Trip, we're going to partner together and we're hosting a filmmaking travel retreat with you. That's right, with you. And so the best part about it is that you get to help design the trip. You get to decide where we get to go. So Bali, Thailand, Morocco, wherever you want, we're gonna have an amazing time, but we're gonna need your help. There's a survey, link in the description below, that you get to fill out. You gotta check mark the places that you might be interested in. We're just gathering information, and in the next coming months, we're gonna decide where we're gonna go. But if you wanna be part of this amazing journey, you wanna hang out with me, learn filmmaking, storytelling, talk camera gear, and just travel and hang out, then fill out that survey. So I'm gonna go hang out with my friends and just bask in this amazing beauty. And so if you wanna hang out, then definitely fill out that survey below. All right guys, much love to you all, and I'll see you later. Oh, come on. Look at this.